Predict market trends with AI. See market shifts before they happen. Worried about sudden market changes? AI analytics can uncover the hidden trends you're missing and help you make smarter decisions. Use AI-powered sentiment analysis to track how customers feel. Instantly spot shifts in demand or market mood before your rivals do. Predictive modeling finds patterns in your data, so you can forecast what's likely to happen next and plan accordingly. AI anomaly detection alerts you to unexpected data changes, helping you react fast to emerging opportunities or risks. Ready to see your market's direction before anyone else? The future is in your data. Market trend prediction. It's the science of seeing the future before it happens. Market trend prediction anticipates shifts before they happen, helping businesses and investors spot risks and opportunities early. The foundation is historical data, examining years of price movements and economic patterns to reveal hidden trends and cycles. Next, experts analyze current signals, tracking global news, investor sentiment, and social media to capture emerging shifts as they unfold. Algorithms and AI synthesize all this information, learning patterns and making fast, data-driven predictions with remarkable accuracy. Step 2. Collect data for accurate predictions. Because data quality is the bedrock of trustworthy and effective predictions. When you rely on incomplete data, your decisions can quickly go off track. Bad inputs mean questionable outcomes. Start by gathering reliable internal data, like sales performance, inventory records, and daily operational metrics. Add external market trends and industry shifts to widen your perspective and uncover opportunities or threats. Analyze customer behaviors by combining web usage, purchase patterns, and direct feedback for richer insights. When you collect the right data, every decision gains clarity. What powerful predictions will you make next? Top AI analytics tools. These platforms can uncover hidden patterns and predict industry shifts before anyone else. Drowning in data? AI analytics can decode patterns, market shifts, and business trends faster than any human. IBM Watson Analytics simplifies prep and spots hidden trends, turning complex data into clear, visual insights. Google Cloud AI merges with BigQuery for machine learning, delivering custom forecasts and actionable signals. Azure Machine Learning builds models to predict sales, market trends, and changing consumer demand with precision. AlphaSense is your AI-powered market intelligence engine, scanning thousands of sources for game-changing insights. TrendSpider uses AI for traders, spotting patterns and generating real-time signals for stocks or crypto. These tools reveal consumer patterns and signals in news trend analytics. These AI tools predict market shifts before they happen. Finding real trends in endless online chatter is tough. Missing the right signal could mean falling behind competitors or missing key opportunities. AI deciphers millions of social posts, instantly revealing spikes in viral topics and sudden shifts in consumer sentiment. It tracks competitor moves and uncovers rising influencers, putting emerging threats and opportunities on your radar fast. AI technology detects breaking news and shifts in global narratives, so teams can react instantly to market shocks or critical trends. Instant insights from worldwide sources transform raw news into actionable intelligence, supporting confident and quick decision-making. Are you ready to spot the next big trend and lead your industry forward? AI forecasting and modeling. Turn uncertainty into your strategic edge. When markets shift without warning, forecasting can transform risk into actionable insight, empowering leaders to see ahead and adapt swiftly. AI predicts sales peaks and dips before they happen, fueling smarter campaigns and resource planning for every quarter. Stop guessing inventory. AI models optimize stock by forecasting demand, cutting costs, and avoiding empty shelves or oversupply. Identify emerging markets before the competition. AI spots new growth opportunities by revealing shifting customer signals. Plan resources with data-driven accuracy. AI forecasts staffing and equipment needs, helping you deploy assets right where they're needed. Mitigate financial risks in advance. AI models alerts and automated decisions. Turn raw signals into immediate, data-driven actions that keep you a step ahead. When markets swing fast, a single missed alert can cost millions. Automated notifications give you the instant edge. AI in trading platforms spots breakout patterns and delivers real-time alerts, so you can act before the market shifts. Stay ahead of headlines. Automated alerts notify you the moment news impacts your sector, letting your team respond fast. Cloud AI scans live data, finding anomalies and sending instant alerts, allowing quick action to prevent costly disruptions. Across supply chains, it's about speed. Auto alerts mean rerouting in seconds, not hours, for zero-delay deliveries. Imagine acting on insights instantly. What opportunities could you seize with real-time integrations, and custom reporting? Unlock automated insights for your team with seamless connections and dynamic reporting tools. Siloed data slows decisions. Manual reporting forces teams to rely on outdated information and duplicated spreadsheets. Custom dashboards transform raw data into clear visuals, giving each department exactly what they need to act quickly. Real-time reporting delivers instant updates. Teams monitor key performance indicators in the moment, driving agile responses. Automated export tools prepare shareable reports for board meetings, ensuring every decision-maker has up-to-date information. Instant briefings compile sector trends and competitor activity, giving your team a strategic advantage powered by global data feeds. Turn raw data into your team's greatest asset. Integrated reporting accelerates decisions that move your business forward. Success stories, predicting trends with AI. These businesses aren't guessing the future, they're forecasting it. Guessing market trends is costly. Mistakes mean lost time, wasted resources, and missed opportunity. For e-commerce brands, unsold inventory piles up quickly when consumer interest is misjudged. AI crunches sales data, online trends, and reviews, identifying products about to surge in popularity. Results: shelves stay full of in-demand items, reducing waste and maximizing every sales window. Traders often miss sudden market moves, an opportunity lost in the chaos of fast-changing data. AI instantly spots breakout patterns in charts, sending automated alerts the moment trends emerge. Startup founders tap AI for market intelligence, quickly uncovering where demand is shifting before others see it. Armed with timely workflow and tools, this is your starter kit for accurate trend prediction. First, identify your main data need: web analytics, industry research, or trading insights. This choice shapes your entire workflow. Connect your data sources. Import files or link APIs to pull in reliable, fresh information directly into your chosen platform. Set up alerts for important metric changes or trend signals. This keeps you informed in real time about what matters most. Design your dashboards with clear visualizations. Use tables, charts, and graphs to make insights instantly understandable. Practice compiling simple reports. Highlight key trends and make notes to sharpen your ability to spot patterns quickly. As new data arrives, refine your AI models and workflows. Continual adjustment means improved future predictions. Your workflow is set. Now, find the future. Start predicting trends with accuracy and confidence. Predicting market trends with AI. Discover how to turn market chaos into clear, actionable predictions. Missed forecasts and volatile markets hold companies back. AI analytics can turn uncertainty into opportunity. First, gather your company's sales, customer, and competitor data to fuel accurate predictions. Next, AI detects subtle market shifts and patterns, revealing insights humans might miss. Finally, predictive reports give you clear, actionable forecasts, empowering smarter decisions before the market moves. Ready to predict your next market trend? Like, subscribe, and comment